You think you're ready for your cruise? Think again. There are things most passengers do without realizing that could put their trip, their safety, and even their freedom at risk. Let's talk about the 17 cruise mistakes you should never make.
Number 17. Arriving late to the port. You'd be surprised how many people miss their cruise before it even begins. Ships have very strict departure times. Once that gangway is pulled up, that's it. The captain isn't turning back for anyone. Flight delays, traffic jams, or even lost luggage can ruin everything. The golden rule? Arrive at least one day early in your port city. Spend the night at a nearby hotel, relax, and enjoy the local vibe. It's a small cost compared to the heartbreak of watching your cruise sail away without you. Number 16. Not checking passport validity. Here's a mistake that happens far too often. Expired or soon-to-expire passports. Many countries require your passport to be valid for at least 6 months beyond your trip dates. Even if your cruise only visits 1 or 2 foreign ports, immigration officers can deny you entry, or your cruise line can simply refuse to let you board. Before your trip, check the expiration date. If it's cutting close, renew it. Trust me, that little blue booklet holds the power to your entire vacation. Number 15. Ignoring travel insurance. It's boring. It feels unnecessary, but when things go wrong, you'll be so glad you had it. Medical emergencies at sea aren't cheap. The ship's doctor alone can charge hundreds just for a quick visit. If you need to be airlifted to shore, the cost can hit $50,000 or more. Travel insurance also covers missed flights, lost luggage, and trip cancellations. It's peace of mind you can't afford to skip. Number 14. Booking the cheapest cabin without research. We've all seen those too-good-to-be-true cruise deals, ultra-cheap interior cabins or mystery rooms. But here's the catch. Those rooms are often right above the engine, under the nightclub, or beside crew access doors that slam all night. That bargain might save you a few $100, but it can cost you your sleep and sanity. Always check the deck plan before booking. Midship cabins on higher decks usually have less motion and noise, perfect for a good night's rest. Number 13. Not bringing seasickness remedies. Even if you think you've got an iron stomach, don't take chances. The open ocean can surprise you. Calm 1 minute, rolling waves the next. A queasy stomach, dizziness, or nausea can ruin your vacation fast. Pack motion sickness patches, ginger chews, wristbands, or medication. Keep them handy, because once you start feeling sick, it's too late to find the ship's doctor in time. Number 12. Using your phone without a cruise plan. You check your messages, you scroll a bit, you upload a selfie, and boom, your phone bill is $800. At sea, your phone automatically connects to maritime satellite networks, which cost a fortune. Even a few minutes of roaming can add up fast. Before sailing, turn on airplane mode, disable roaming, and use the ship's Wi-Fi plan if you really need to stay connected. Or, better yet, unplug completely. You're on vacation. Number 11. Falling for the all-inclusive myth. Cruise lines love to say their ships are all-inclusive, but here's the truth. Once you're on board, everything extra costs extra. Specialty dining, soda, cocktails, Wi-Fi, shore excursions, spa visits, they all add up. Some guests spend more on board than they did on the cruise ticket itself. Plan your budget before you sail. Look for drink packages, meal bundles, or onboard credits. Don't let hidden fees sink your wallet. Number 10. Skipping the muster drill. The muster drill might seem boring. Standing in lines, listening to safety instructions, wearing that awkward life jacket. But it's mandatory for a reason. If something happens at sea, that drill could literally save your life. Cruise lines take this seriously. Skip it, and you risk being kicked off the ship before the trip even starts. Pay attention, take it seriously, and know exactly where your muster station is. Number 9. Not researching ports of call. Each port is a new adventure, but if you step off the ship unprepared, you might miss out or even put yourself at risk. Some areas are tourist traps with overpriced tours. Others might have safety concerns after dark. Always do a little research before your trip. Learn the local customs, transportation options, and must-see attractions. Download offline maps and be cautious about what's safe to explore alone. Remember, once that ship leaves the dock, it's gone. It won't wait for late passengers. Number 8. Leaving valuables unsecured. It's easy to think you're in a safe, floating hotel. But, just like anywhere else, petty theft can happen. Don't leave cash, passports, or jewelry sitting out in your cabin. Use the in-room safe for anything important. And when you're out exploring ports, carry only what you need. A little caution goes a long way toward keeping your vacation stress-free.
Number 7. Drinking too much at sea. Unlimited drinks, warm breeze, music everywhere. It's tempting to let loose. But remember, alcohol hits harder in the sun and at sea. Every year, passengers fall, slip, or even go overboard after having too much to drink. It's tragic, but preventable. Enjoy yourself, but know your limits. The ocean doesn't forgive mistakes, and there are no lifeguards out there.
Number 6. Ignoring onboard health rules. Cruise ships are basically floating cities, thousands of people in close quarters. That means germs spread fast. One person sneezes at the buffet, and by the next morning, half the deck has caught something. Wash your hands often. Use sanitizer stations. If you feel sick, don't push through. Visit the medical center. Outbreaks like norovirus can shut down entire cruise operations. Stay clean, stay safe. Number 5. Overpacking. It's a common rookie move, bringing half your closet just in case. But cruise cabins are small, sometimes very small. Overpacking clutters your space and makes getting ready a nightmare. Pack light, bring versatile clothes, and roll your outfits instead of folding to save space. Remember, most ships have laundry services or self-serve washers if you really need them. Less luggage equals more freedom. Number 4. Not budgeting for hidden fees. Many first-time cruisers get a nasty shock when their final bill arrives. Daily gratuities, port taxes, Wi-Fi, drinks, and spa charges can easily add up to hundreds of dollars. Keep track of your spending using the cruise app or your onboard account. That way, nothing surprises you at checkout, except maybe how much you saved by staying aware. Number 3. Ignoring weather warnings. Cruises travel through unpredictable waters. Storms, high winds, or hurricanes can change your entire route. Don't assume every day will be blue skies and calm seas. Check weather updates regularly and pack for all conditions, even a light jacket for breezy nights. If the captain cancels a port or changes course, it's for your safety, not to ruin your plans. Number 2. Touching or feeding wildlife. At tropical ports, tourists often see friendly dolphins, sea turtles, or colorful coral and want to touch or feed them. Don't. Not only can this harm the animals, but it's also illegal in many destinations. You could face fines or bans for disturbing marine life. Always respect the local ecosystem. Look, admire, take photos, but keep your hands off nature. Number 1. Not following crew instructions. The biggest, most dangerous mistake you can make at sea? Ignoring the crew. These people are trained professionals. They know how to handle emergencies, rough weather, and crowd safety.
When they say, don't lean over the rail or return to your cabin, it's for a reason. Following their guidance keeps everyone safe, including you. Remember, once you're at sea, the crew is your lifeline.
Cruises are incredible experiences. A floating world of adventure, food, entertainment, and breathtaking ocean views. But like any adventure, they come with risks. By avoiding these 17 mistakes, you'll save yourself from stress, wasted money, and unnecessary danger. So plan smart, travel light, and respect the rules, and you'll make memories that last a lifetime.
If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more cruise secrets and travel tips, and drop a comment below. Which of these mistakes shocked you the most? Until next time, travel smart, sail safe, and enjoy the view.